Okay, greetings everyone. Welcome you to this video. I want to explain something to you today about fin screener. This particular website I talked about in my previous videos. I want to explain to you what I actually use this particular website or some of the things I use this website to do. I can use this website to forecast what is going to happen ahead, as in some of these US companies and buying stock in some of US companies in do my chart analysis. I could expand ahead, forecast ahead. Knowing what is going to happen ahead of the market is very, very beautiful. Having the knowledge or the picture of what you're going to be looking at in some of these companies ahead is very, very beautiful. If you see tomorrow, you'll be bothered of tomorrow because you've seen it. So this website enables me to forecast ahead. And let me be honest with you, some of the forecasts here, I tell you, at times I see a 80% accuracy, most of the time 75% accuracy. At times I'll say 90% accuracy. The only thing I do is to, watch the chart on that particular date and then begin to see if I am able to buy or sell. Now let's dive into it. Here is fin screener from my pointer. You can see fin screener. Remember, we know how to get here. Those of us who watch the video, but if you don't know how to do that, please go to Google, right? Go to Google, then just type fin screener. Okay, it will get you to this place www.finscreener.org. Fin screener, stock screener, heat map, backtesting asset. So I click on it, fin screener, it will bring you to the page, to the full page. So here is the page of fin screener. So as you get to this page, take your pointer to earnings. You will see earning calendar, earnings report, dividends, reinvestment calculator, earnings rating. So I'm going to earnings rating. Let's go straight to earnings rating. Now I want to show you something here. Down this page, you will see US market. Take a look at my point on the screen. US market earnings ratings, S&P 500 earnings ratings, Nasdaq 100 earnings ratings, Dow Jones earnings ratings, Russell 1000 earnings ratings. So I can analyze all these one after the other, but today I'm looking at Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 are compilation of most of the large American 100 large American companies that are equally doing very, very well as an American stock, US stock, so to say. Let's put it this way, US stock. Now, on this page, as you can see, let me move up a little so that you can see it. As you can see my pointer, it will bring you here. So these are the 100 companies. Scroll down that made Nasdaq. These are the 100 companies. You can see my pointer. I'm still going up. So here is the ticker of the companies. Here is the report date, earnings report. So what I'm going to be looking at right now is the ticker, the earnings report, the earnings ratings. I mean to say report date. So I want to start from October. I want to see what is happening from October. We're in the month of October already. So I click here, this drop down here. It will quickly move me to see October. So as you can see, October 12th. What's my pointer? October 12th, October 13, October 13, October 18, October 18. Now these are the ticker. So NFLX is Netflix. Hmm? TXLA is Tesla. So I want to see Tesla. I want to analyze Tesla and Netflix. So let's look at Netflix, for instance. Netflix Incorporated. Let's look at Netflix. So it's telling me that on the 18th, there's going to be a strong sell with this last company, with this last stock. There's going to be a strong sell with this last stock on the 18th. Today is 10th. of October, I am saying that on the 18th, there's going to be a strong sell in this particular company called Netflix. It's going to be selling on the 18th. So I have a clue of what is going to happen on the 18th with this stock. If I want to trade it individually, I want to trade this particular company individually. I want to buy shares with this company. So it's telling me that on the 18th, I'm going to have a strong sell. Wow. Now, what do I do? Remember, I talked about tradingview.com. Tradingview.com is a particular website I use to do a proper chart analysis as regards to these companies or these stocks. So what I do is I head straight to my trading view. Here's my trading view. You can see my trading view. So like I said before, you can equally add Netflix to your watch list. So what's my pointer? I will go to add symbols, click on it, then it will bring out this particular page to me. You will see all stocks, feature. Of course, I'm looking at stocks, so I will type NFLX. So remember, I'm talking about Netflix. So Netflix has arrived. This Netflix. Remember, we are looking at stock Nasdaq and US. So I've added it already to my chart. So that's why it's showing me aesthetic here. So I've added it to my chart. So there's only so you can come here, click on it to add to your own Pala chart. If it's to your own watch list, I mean to say if you don't have it on your watch list. So already I have it in my watch list. So I've clicked on it. So it's there. So what I do is to locate it. Here is Netflix. NFXL is Netflix. So I click on Netflix. I want to do a chart analysis of Netflix. I'm looking at buying, selling Netflix, strong sell on the 18th. Remember, on the 18th of October, there's going to be a strong sell here. So what I will, what am I looking at? Like I said before, I love doing my analysis from the monthly time frame. So I go to the monthly time frame, click on it will open. For those of us who don't understand the lines or how I got to this monthly time frame or what I do, please refer back to my previous because I may not be able to begin to explain to you everything here. I am doing this video in continuation of the previous videos I did. So please watch my previous videos, get to subscribe to those videos, and to my YouTube channel, so to say, give me a thumbs up, drop message below. I will appreciate it so much. So this is it. Now, here is monthly time frame, and as you can see, what has happened previously with this company, price has gone up and price is dropping down now. Price is dropping down seriously. You can see the price dropping down. The red candles here are the bearish candle. The price is dropping down. And price has gotten to an area of what? Support. Price has gotten to an area of support. The orange line you see on the screen are area of support and resistance. Support and resistance. Support and resistance. These are area of support and resistance that I drew. But the orange line signify this area of support and resistance I drew on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame. So after seeing this, I've known that the clue that the market is actually heading down on a weekly time frame. So what do? I will go to the weekly time frame to see if I have the same scenario playing itself out here on the weekly time frame. So what am I seeing here? The same scenario. Price actually dropping down. So you can see it clearly. Let me use my trend line from this top to this bottom. Price dropped down. So it's very clear that price dropped down. So the same scenario playing itself here on the weekly time frame. So how do I come about these lines? Let me quickly analyze, explain to you. It's an area of support. It's an area of support, gentlemen, and resistance. Let me enlarge it so that you can see it better. So here, arrow up here is what? Support. Arrow down here is what? Resistance. So, gentlemen, you can see it clearly that price has gotten to the area of what? Resistance. weekly resistance. And what are we seeing here? Price is what? Dropping down. Price is going down. Price might find itself from this top to this bottom here, to this area of support here. So, weekly time frame. Resistance, resistance, support, support. Let's go back to daily time frame. Okay, here is daily time frame. What are we seeing here? Price wants to actually drop down. You can see the area of resistance, resistance here. Price wants to drop down. Remember, anytime price got an area of resistance, there is possibility that the price will do what? Drop down. And from our forecast, the forecast we did from finscreener.com, Netflix is going to be selling strongly on the 18th of October. Now you can see from the chart analysis here, actually price is dropping down. So what do you expect there to sell Netflix? To begin to sell Netflix? Please, this analysis I'm doing today is Saturday, 10th, sorry, I beg your pardon, 8th of October 2022. Saturday, 8th of October 2022. The analysis I'm doing right now will give me a clue to sell Netflix next week. I'm looking forward to sell Netflix. So I'm going to be watching this. It's on my watch list right now. So I'm going to be watching this to see if I will dive in and begin to sell this from next week. So remember on the 18th, I'm going to have a strong sell here. So we are doing analysis ahead. So let me go to 4 hours time frame. Remember, I just want to see what is happening. You can see clearly that price is slowly dropping down. Price is dropping. The present candle, you can see the present candle price is dropping. So price is dropping. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is giving me a better clue of what is happening here. Price is doing what? Dropping. A good trader would have loved to dive into this because, as a matter of fact, the 14 moving exponential moving average has crossed the 50 moving average. If you have been following my previous videos, you understand I explained these two lines. I explained these two lines in details. The 14 moving average has crossed the 50 moving exponential moving averages. So now anyone who knows how to trade who want to trade this might have been in this trade. This is my trend line. This point A, point B. Price has broken the trend line. At the break of this trend line, one might want to dive and begin to say if you're an aggressive trader. But if you're not an aggressive trader, what I will do is to wait, watch, and see. That will be a pullback to this point, to this trend line. Hmm? As price continue to come down, I'll enter. Hmm? I'll enter and follow it down. So right now, this is what is happening in Netflix. This is what is happening in Netflix. Netflix. I love it in the 1 hour time frame. And here is 1 hour time frame. And this is exactly what is happening in 1 hour time frame. So on the 18th, I'm going to be returning back here to check Netflix to see the possibility of diving into the market, selling. So what I'm going to do now, I've been able to, get a proper clue with my technical chart analysis that Netflix is equally selling, and it's the best time for me to begin to look for opportunity to sell this. So what I'm going to be, the opportunity I'm going to be looking for right now is to wait for a pullback a little up to this point because the price has broken this trend line, and I will follow it down. Hmm? Or a pullback back to this point, then I will follow it down. So either way, beautiful. So what I'm going to do right now is to wait, watch and wait and see what is going to be happening, the reaction here. But from my analysis here, from Pin Cleaner, you can see clearly that on the 18th, watch my pointer again on the screen, Netflix is going to have a strong sell. Strong sell. Take note of it. Strong sell. So this is what I do with this particular site. Now let's quickly dive to Tesla. As you can see, Tesla, what my pointer on the 19th, Tesla of October, Tesla is going to have a strong buy. Strong buy. So let's analyze Tesla. So I'll go back to what? My trading view. My target is to analyze what? Tesla. I already have Tesla in my watch list. Here is the Tesla, TSLA. Tesla is already in my watch list. So for those of us who know how to get it to your watch list, please go to add symbol and you'll be able to see it, and at the type it there, it will appear. So Tesla is on my watch list already. I click Tesla just to analyze Tesla chart. So beautiful. So here is Tesla. Here is Tesla. And I have follow my pointer is 1 hour time frame. Here is Tesla chart, 1 hour time frame. Like I said before, I love doing my technical analysis from the monthly time frame. So I'll move down to this point, then click the monthly time frame. What is happening with Tesla? Here is Tesla. As you can see, the chart has moved up. Tesla has been up. With this trend line, you can see it clearly. What is happening now? Tesla is dropping. It has dropped down to this point of what? Support. Went back up from here to this point of resistance. So Tesla is actually what? Going down. And it has found an area of what? Support. And on the 19th, that is in 2 weeks' time, Tesla is going to begin to do what? We are looking at strong buy. So this monthly time frame, Tesla is actually dropping. Now let's go to weekly time frame. What do we have? Here is my weekly time frame. You can see the weekly time frame. You can see the price action. Tesla is dropping down to this area of for support. This is an area of strong support. Area of what? Strong support. Did you see it here? Support. It's an area of what? Strong support. And the one on top is the area of strong resistance. So you can see the arrow support, support, resistance, resistance. And here is a chart of Tesla, weekly chart of Tesla. And you can see the price action. Price is actually dropping down. This is it. What are we expecting to do? The price will get to the support. Okay? Price will get to the support. Gentlemen, are you following? Price will get to, when price get to the support, what next are we going to expect? We expect that price is going to shoot up. To this area of what? Support. Or even above it. So based on the forecast from FinScreener, Tesla is going to be buying on the 19th of October. It's a strong buy. Strong buy on the 19th of October. That's what FinScreener is telling us. That on the 19th of October, let's go back to FinScreener. This is it. Follow my pointer. This is Tesla. This is 19th. Okay. This is 19th. I'm marking it. 19th of October, I shaded it. Tesla is going to have a strong buy based on what? Earnings rating. There's going to be a strong buy. So we are doing analysis of Tesla today, being the 8th of October. So now let's go to daily time frame. I look at this larger time frame for a better, clearer view of what the market price action, market movement is all about. What is happening with market movement? Remember, it's all about sentiment. Buyer. So as it stands right now, the buyer said the price is going down. So we are targeted at this price before 19. This price will get to this particular point of support. And once it got to this particular point of support, there's possibility that we begin to buy. So what are you going to do as a trader? What you do is to wait. As it is now, you can't invest your money because the market is already down. You wait patiently. You're waiting for 19th. It's just next week. As soon as this price get to this point of support, watch the price get to this point of support, right, gentlemen? And we see a candle reaction, maybe a bullish engulfing candle. Let's assume that is a candle, as another bullish engulfing candle that have engulfed this, another longer candle that is longer than this. What do you do? I will buy Tesla. I will buy it. And my target is what? From this point to this point. That will be my target. Or from this point to the next, maybe here, this 50 EMA as my what? Area of resistance. So I'll just buy it. Clean. So I'm going to be waiting for a candle reaction. And remember, this is going to be a temporal buy. It's not going to be a buy that will last for a longer period of time. Remember, it's a short buy because the market is actually heading down with Tesla. So it's just a temporal buy. I will buy and take my profit here at the next resistance. So, gentlemen, you can see what I'm saying. Tesla analyzed, Netflix analyzed on the 13th, on the 13th, on the 18th rather of October. Netflix is going to have a strong sell. On the 19th of October, Tesla is going to have a strong buy. So watch it. These are what I do with Screener. It's an amazing site. There's more to this site. There's more to this site. There's more to this site. I love this site so much. There's no more to this site. There's more. Especially to forecast what is going to happen in the future. I love it so much. I want to know what is going to happen. I want to know what is going to happen. And I've been using this for some time now. And I tell you, amazing. The result is just wonderful. It gives me ability to forecast. Thank you, gentlemen, for watching this video. Subscribe to my video. Subscribe to my video channel. Give me a thumbs up. I will appreciate it, please. Then leave a comment below. Thank you and do have a good weekend.